facing our audience. Dito po tayo lahat. Ayan. So, may I request yung ating mga hiyas. Dito po tayo. With your escort, syempre, ano? And of course, saan yung ating mutya or haragang hiyas ng haragang this one, ng restaurant, Señora de la Candelaria 2019. Is she with us here? Ayan. So once again, parapakan po natin ang ating mga hiyas ng restaurant, Señora de la Candelaria. Wow! Ang gaganda po nila at ang gagwapo ng kanilang mga escorts. Sige, picture niyo po muna sila, no? Okay, give your best smile, everyone. And it's time to end our celebration in our coronation. We will now have the recessional march of our royal family. Ready? Ang ating march. Starting with us again, our hiyas ng Nuestra Señora de la Candelaria 2019. We have Miss Christine Anna Morgan. Our hiyas ng Pag-asa, Cluster 3, Helen Grace Timorio will escort Rolling John. Gabriel Open Records with escort John Carlo Casapuel. Palapakan po natin mga kaibigan. Our hiyas ng Kapayapaan, Cluster 1, Maxine Angela J. Aguilar with escort Ivan Henry Corbin. Ng Karunungan, Cluster 5, Jeremy Marino with escort Angelo Jose Granada. And last, ladies and gentlemen, our hiyas ng Nuestra Señora de la Candelaria 2023, Honeybee Ipamares with escort Domingo Takaisan Jr. Palakpakan po natin once again ang mga hiyas ng Nuestra Señora de la Candelaria. And that is